So first one is the masked PROM, masked ROM. It is a device that contains the pre-programmed set of data or instructions. So it is pre-programmed or set of instructions. It is pre-programmed, it is having the pre-programmed set of data or the instructions, you can call it as. Second point, a masked ROM is programmed at the time of manufacturing. It's programmed at the time of manufacturing as per the user or the customer requirements. That is nothing but the masked ROM. Means if you want to implement a particular kind of functions, you can give the instructions to the manufacturer, and according to which it will design you the ROM. But once the read-only memory is fixed or masked, it cannot be changed after packaging. So you can call it a disadvantage of it. It can't be changed after packaging. So the primary advantage with this is that it has got very low cost, but only at large quantity are produced. So if you are going to produce for smaller quantities, it is going to be costly for you. A major disadvantage is that it cannot be reprogrammed. As I said, it is a pre-programmed set of data and instruction contains as per the user requirements. So if according to the user, if the manufacturer has made the masked ROM and thereafter there is a change of programs or some application has been changed and some of the part of the data is to be changed in the ROM, then it is not possible. Even a single bit of data is to be changed, you have to again manufacture the ROM. So that is the biggest disadvantage. It can't be reprogrammed in any condition. This is the biggest disadvantage of it. So these are the masked ROM. Now let us moving on to the programmable read-only memories. We have already seen that these memories can be programmed. The second point is programmable read-only memories. So PROM. So I'll quickly finish up with the PROMs because I already discussed the PROM in the section of differentiating between electrically programmable memories and the EEPROMs. So it can be programmed by user. Okay. The next point is the PROM is programmed only once after its contents are fixed. Means what? When the manufacturer designs it consists of a field of totally ones are filled. If you look at the content of a black PROM or the blank PROM, the data is made of entirely ones. So if you are going to consider a blank PROM which is not programmed yet, means after the manufacturing the package contains, that is nothing but the blank PROM contains only ones. Programmer or the user who wants to design the circuit, you will design or program it such a way that part of the M's will be remaining and rest of the things it will make it zeros with the help of surge current passing through it. So PROM is manufactured as blank memory. It consists of only ones. That means you can call it as a blank memory. But to program it, again there's a disadvantage, or you can say one costly procedure is there. To program it, the user requires a PROM programmer. So PROM programmer, it's a device which programs the ROM. So PROM programmer is required to program it. And the next point, it is also called as the one-time programmable memory. Once you have programmed it, you cannot be reprogram it. So that's why it is called as one-time programmable or OTP memory. That is nothing but one-time programmable memory. So the PROM programmer writes the data into the PROM by applying the high voltage pulses, and that is nothing but the irreversible process. So that's all about the PROM. This PROM can be categorized into electrical programmable and erasable as well as programmable memories. That's what we have discussed in the next sessions with the in 5 minutes. But here are some advantages of the PROMs. That is nothing but it has got high reliability. It's a non-volatile. That means it's a permanent data, as the read-only memories are permanent, and it comes in a very moderate price. They have the built-in ICs for the PROMs, and their speed is also very fast. If you see the application for the PROMs, they are frequently seen in the video game consoles and the electronic dictionaries. As I said, in electronic game consoles, there are preset of instructions are given for the game. Some stages are there to which they are working on the predefined set of data or the instructions. That's what we have with the ROMs and the PROMs. So thank you for watching in 5 minutes, and that's all about the read-only memories. For more videos and ideas, stay tuned to in 5 minutes.